Hello everyone, my name is Devin. I'm with HSDC. We want to inform you that we will have a presentation focused on Social Security. On Wednesday, May 14th, 2025, from 1 to 2:30 p.m. We will share information about different programs such as SSI, SSDI, retirement, overpayments, work rules, current and new changes with Social Security. For this presentation, we will have lawyers there focused on Social Security from an organization called the Benefits Law Center. They provide Social Security advocacy services. This presentation will be both virtual and in person. Virtually, it'll be on Zoom, and in person, it'll be here in HSDC Seattle. Please RSVP if you want to join on Zoom, and let us know if you plan to come. We will have ASL interpreters and closed captions. Please bring your questions, concerns, comments, and we would do our best to answer. We look forward to seeing you there.